Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Halloween look for you. Yay, Halloween. This time it is a Gothic Snow White. Now, I love Snow White. I think she's beautiful and yeah, I love her look. I've always had an obsession with black hair, light skin, and light eyes, but I have brown eyes. And I think Snow White has brown eyes too, but the whole like black hair and light skin contrast deal, I love. Anyhow, if you want to see how to go about recreating this Gothic Snow White look, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the Kat Von D Better Together palette and this pigment from the body needs called First Bite. My usual concealer, RK Perfect Precision Lip Liner in red, Milani Matte Amore Lip in Devotion, and Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Dynamite Red, Tarte Blush in Journey, Wet n Wild Eye Pencil in Black, and Black Radiance Liquid Eyeliner. Here are the brushes I used, listed out for you. Okay, let's begin. As always, we start with our concealer. Apply this all over the eyelid, and then pat it down. Next, with a rounded shader brush, we're going to go into the red pigment, and any red matte eyeshadow you have will work for this. You can also do blue or yellow if you want. I mean, it is Snow White. So we're going to pat it on and then work it out. Next, we're going to take a blending brush and just blend the edges. Back into the pigment with a precision brush or a small brush to go under the eye. Next, I'm going into Swoon, and I like this color because it has a metallic sheen to it. It's really beautiful. You don't have to do this, but if you want to add some shimmer, find a shimmery burgundy red color and it'll work. Back to blending. We want to be sure to make this smooth. Okay, now with a pencil brush, we're going to go into Devotion, which is a matte black. So any matte black eyeshadow that you have will work for this. We're going to pat it on the outer corner and work it sideways. Back with the blending brush, and we're going to blend this black out to make it nice and smooth. Now liquid eyeliner. We're going to make a nice semi-thick, medium thick eyeliner. And we're just extending the wing out. Now taking the pencil brush, we're going to line underneath. Make it nice and thick as well. Okay, now we're going to start drawing out some veins. And just make squiggly lines. Look at the veins on your wrist if you need like some reference. Or think of tree branches. It also looks like veins. So just under the eye,
on the sides, and these will be all over the place. Underneath the eyebrow, on the eyelid, do whatever you want. Now, starting from the eyebrow, we're going to go up and continuing with the veins. Now we're going to take the pencil eyeliner and we're going to make some of these thicker. Now we're going to take the liquid lipstick and a small detail brush, and we're going to trace along the veins that we drew. Okay, now it's time for false lashes. These are the Glamour by Ardell, which I forgot to show you in the first part. I'm sorry about that. Applied them, and we're applying mascara just to blend them together with the real eyelashes. Blush time. Any blush that is super pinkish red or pink will work. So we're going to start at the temples and work down towards the cheek, apples of the cheek, but not all the way. Okay, lipstick time. So we're lining the lips. Line your lips however you want. If you want to exaggerate them, exaggerate. Or if you want just natural lip line, then go with your natural lip line. I went with a natural lip line. Okay, and the look is done.
Okay, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you like this look. It's my own idea of mixing pretty and creepy together. You know, Snow White who's pretty and dainty, and mixing like some creepy factor into it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tutorials, music, etc. Yeah, and as always, rock on. And the contacts. I will be putting the link down below. These are TTDI contacts, and I think they're called Elf Red. They do have a bunch of cosplay contacts that you can have fun with, especially for Halloween. Perfect. And yeah, that's why I wore the red ones, which I thought would be perfect for this look. So yeah, look in the comments. I will put the link that you can order through, and yeah, if you want to. So these are really comfortable, like super comfortable. I don't even feel them. And they're pretty creepy. Hey guys, today I have another... What is wrong with my voice? It's one of those days that I can't talk. I'm like... guess it would match my costume. Ooh, I had lipstick on my teeth. That's never attractive. I really like this look. I really like the whole like veiny creepy thing going on, and you can add like veins to the neck and stuff, which I didn't do, just to tie it more together if you really want to do the whole shebang thing. Do like veins the same way you would do up here, just here and stuff. It would be really cool. Or if they come down like that, or if you can see your veins like I can see mine, you can just trace your own. And there you have it. I have another Halloween makeup tutorial coming up, and that one will be an Amy Lee look, so that should be fun for Halloween. And I will try to make one more. I don't know if I'll have enough time because I want to get these out before Halloween. Halloween is on a Wednesday, and I record on Wednesdays, and that doesn't work out for me, so I have to try and see if I can squeeze one in with everything else that I have to do. So yeah. All right, guys, I'll see you later.